which Lord of me hides, and has once set keeping. The stone is made a cornerstone, which builders did despise. This is the doing of the Lord, and wondrous in our eyes. This is the day God made, in it will joy triumphantly. Save now, I pray thee, Lord, I pray, send now prosperity. Blessed is he in God's great name, that cometh us to save. We from the house which to the Lord attains to blessed path. God is the Lord who unto us hath made life to arise. Bind ye unto the altar's horns with cords the sacrifice. Thou art my God, I'll thee exalt. My God, I will thee praise. Give thanks to God, for he is good. His mercy lasts always.